Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of the Ubuntu. Today we are going to learn about how to install Redis on Ubuntu. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. Let's get started. So let's go to the terminal. Okay, so here we go with the terminal. Let me clear this one. So let's paste this command. Okay, so sudo app update. Next command, we have to install the Redis server. So let's put this command over here. Okay, so I think it's already added. So let's move to the next step. Check the status of that one, Redis server. So it's there. Okay, so moving to the next one, let's go and Redis CLI to check everything is working or not. Okay, now we have to set any kind of key. So I'm setting the key, test key with the hello Redis. Okay, so first I will set the key expiration x milliseconds, so you can set if you can. Okay, like 30 seconds. Syntax error, I think for that one, I think how they are doing with 03600 like this. Maybe let me try this. If I'm not setting the expiration, then what happened? It says okay, I'm not setting the expiration. Now retrieve that one. Okay, so here we go with retrieving with the help of the key. So this is the test key. Now I'm going to get the value with the text test key. So let's add the test key and you will get the value. That is hello Redis. That means it is working fine and installation is properly done. Okay, so this is how you can install the Redis onto your Ubuntu system. Any doubt, any query in that, do let me know in the comment section. And in the coming series we are going to learn about with the Node.js application how to sync with that one. Okay, so if you are a Node.js developer, then definitely you can watch the tutorial. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. Next video will be the memcache to install on the Ubuntu system. Okay, so thank you so much, have a great day.